Oh hi, this one is the new uh, lecture I'm developing now, and it's regarding to the web development. Is what is the meaning of web development, and how web development important for audience, because without properly developing website you won't appeal audience. An audience has two things very important. One is your eyes and one is your ear, sound effect. So the website, when you are developing, is like you are developing all the things together now. Marketing contents, which is based on 4Ps. Which one 4Ps is important that moment, and how you define this 4P in the form of technology. That's another important aspect. So for example, if you are characterizing the price of a product, so your whole focus is price, and price that is click mostly with the rational. Price is a very rational thing. Everybody think price with their brain, not with their heart. So those website which is composed on the base of price, you have to deal with the concept of pricing, and keeping in mind price or behave like a base, then you make a wall of the product, other feature of products with availability, which is the places, and then the whole thing is become promotion for it. The second one thing is which is also very critical, and mostly like the websites are based on these factors too, are the product features or product characteristics. When you are developing any campaign, that's mostly when you are developing a product that goes with your eyes to your heart. Sometimes some product emotionally by heart, some product are emotionally by your brain. So what is the next stage with the eyes are playing very key role here, and next to eye is your sound, is how you provide them these features within 1 second to click from your ear to their decision making process. So that means when you are doing with the help of product characteristic and based on your eyes or your sound, that's also very important. So when you are developing this way, you have to make product as a base, the other sounds of pricing, place, availability, and the promotion of these things is your walls and roof now. Same as sometime you just have to be focus either on a place only, like availability of a product, or either promotion only, like you just are promoting a product. That is also very important now, how to handle this kind of things, and which one is become your base, which one is your walls and roof. I hope you guys enjoy with this one thing, is how to develop a web page.